You can see that. There we go. So this cut out, I'm just painting it with yellow acrylic. She's giving it that nice faded kind of look I wanted. Thinking like one more coat, and that ought to be it. So I cut these out on my Cricut, or Cricut. I call it the Cricut. I know it's Cricut, but anyway. I still need to add the wire on the top here, and the trigger. And I might remake this fusion cell because it's somewhat small. I got the gap here, but I'm gonna do a breakdown of this. This is EVA foam that I cut into basically the barrel here. This is wood. These are all wood cut out. This is wood. This is all foam. This is foam. This is an old paint bottle, so you look at it like that. This is foam. This was some little part I had. This is foam and another little part I had. These are obviously like plastic water bottle caps. This I cut out of wood. The stock is wood. This is just a little thing I had, and this is foam. Just found some stuff around the house. Oh, this is all foam. Foam handle, foam grips. This is the first kind of prop that I've made, so kind of just figured it out as I went. Try to do a little rust paint job. Still need to add the yellow lines about here, I believe, maybe in here. It's not perfect dimension to how the gun is. I don't have the lines here to break off the barrel, and I wasn't able to get all the little pieces in here, but from a distance it looks pretty good. So just doing these little decals. Came out a little sketchy, but I think I can work with it. And I add a little trigger there. So I added this little decal, the yellow strips here. This is all foam too. I mean, it's just for looks, not functional by any means. Trigger is stationary. I just like it hanging up in my garage. Alright, so adding the yellow stripes, just hit it with some painter's tape. Pretty happy with how the decals came out. The more I look at this thing, I'm not liking it. You can see all the lines in here from the foam up here on the top, but hey, it's my first one, so. And then moving on over here, I got, this is going to be the yellow wire on the top. Just hit it with some primer, still drying, and then I got this little piece that the wire connects into. So, I put this up though. I wonder, it's Alex Flex, flexible spackling. So this is kind of like the plaster of Paris, but it says it's flexible and sandable. So we'll see. Give you an update in a minute.